So I'm going to do a video showing you how to do beach waves with a curling iron. This one's 1 inch. It's a titanium babyliss. So I'm going to take first and go away from my face. I'll take this first section. I just take kind of just 1 inch sections here. I'm going to go away. I'm going to kind of hold this for a minute. And then I'm going to kind of drop that. See how it kind of twists? I'm going to drop that, and then I'm going to kind of straighten that bottom piece like that. I'm going to move on to the next section. Oh, I already sprayed my hair with a heat protectant. Kind of drop it and see how it twists.
What? I want to fall off. I want to fall off.
I learned by watching, so hopefully these videos help somebody. So after I let that kind of set for a little bit, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my fingers and just kind of like comb through it. And it creates that beachy wave type curl. I like mine pretty, not like real tight, so I'll definitely take and kind of comb out some. But then what I do is, like, I usually have some like flyaways around my face, so what I do is I take some of this wax pomade. Sorry, there's like a hair on my hand. A finishing wax, and I just get a little bit, and then I take and kind of go through the top, just so it really, I grab a couple pieces so it really makes it nice and smooth. Especially like around here, I have some. And I also really like this Pravana Shine Spray. It smells so good too. I just finished with some Morrocan Oil spray. But yeah, that's how you get that nice like beachy wave.